Dear 12th class students, we study the story, the last lesson from the book Flamingo. And in the previous video, I have given you two questions. I hope you all try to find the answers. Before going to the next part of the story, let me solve these questions. So please check your answers. If there is any corrections, kindly note that. There were two questions. The first question is that what was Franz expected to be prepared with for school that day? As we all know that he has to learn the rules of participles, but he did not learn that. Not the answer. That day, Franz was expected to be prepared with participles because M. Hamel had said that he would question them on participles. Franz did not know anything about participles. We move to the next question. That is, what tempted Franz to stay away from school? There are many reasons. First reason is that the lack of preparation. He did not study anything about participles. And another one, the fine weather and the chirping sounds of birds. And the third point, that is, the Prussian soldiers were drilling. So these three things tempted him. So you can note the answer. Franz went to school that day. There were many temptations inducing him not to go to school that day. The first temptation was his lack of preparation for the test on participles. Apart from it, there were other temptations. It was very warm and bright. The birds were chirping at the edge of the woods, and in the open field back of the sawmill, the Prussian soldiers were drilling. It was all much more tempting than the rules of participles, but he had the strength to resist and hurried off to school.
Dear students, as we have seen in the above paragraphs, little Franz walks to school, avoiding all the tempting things on the roadside. Franz moves very fast to school, and on the way, the blacksmith Victor, with his apprentice, reading the bulletin, he makes fun on him, means Franz. Apprentice means a person who is learning a trade from a skilled employer, having agreed to work for a fixed period at low wages. Meaning of apprentice: a person who is learning a trade from a skilled employer, having agreed to work for a fixed period at low wages. And this blacksmith who says to Franz that do not go so fast, you may reach early in the school. He says him there that do not, because Franz who moves very fast, and after seeing him, this blacksmith, he makes a comment that do not go so fast, you may reach early in the school. And little Franz who avoids all this, and he moves very fast, and he reaches his school in all out of breath. All out of breath means it's a phrase of breath. Meaning is that gasping for air, typically after exercise. We know that if we do heavy exercise, gasp for air. For Franz, it was a surprising thing because usually the whistle sound of children can hear out in the street. Whistle means move in an energetic and busy manner. Children move here and there, and that sound can hear out in the street. But today it's all very quiet. None of the usual noise heard. It looks like that there is no class. That means it's as quiet as Sunday morning. He sees through the window and has seen his classmates are already in their seats. The teacher M. Hamel, he is very strict and he is walking up and down. He has his terrible iron ruler under his arm. For Franz, it's a challenging moment because now he has to enter in the class in front of everybody. And he knows that his teacher will be angry and even he may punish because for being late. He blushes. Blush means embarrassment. Anyway, after gaining courage, little Franz opens the door and goes in. He is very frightened because he is late and his teacher is very strict. But to his surprise, Mr. Hamel says very kindly, "Go to your place quickly, a little Franz." Mr. Hamel, M. Hamel, he says very kindly, very politely to his student, "Go to your place quickly, little Franz. We are going to start without you." He never expects such a comment from his teacher. Anyway, for his surprise, his teacher, who is very strict, and he makes a comment there that, "Go to your place quickly, little Franz. We are going to begin without you."